that want to start trading, what tips do you give for beginning? Thank you. Yeah. I don't recommend trading at all. Please don't trade. And I say it because I care with love in my heart. Um, it will all end badly. And a lot more people are asking about trading now because a lot of people are at home and kind of bored, whatever, because of COVID, and also because the market did well last year. You can't. You'll be fooled by randomness if you try to make money every single day, month, quarter, whatever it is. Every month has 20 trading days. That's 20 weekdays, and that's 20 days the market is open, and you can't make money every month by trading because a lot of times stocks go up and down because of things that are way out of your control. It might be like because of saber rattling between, I don't know, Riyadh and Moscow regarding the price of oil, or saber rattling between Beijing and DC regarding trade issues. Or it might, the reason stocks go up and down is because some health related COVID news release, or a company in the sector that's similar to the company you invest in might announce positive or negative news or earnings, which will drag your stock up or down. So it's hard. It's hard. I'd be very, very long term focused. But if you want to trade because you asked, after you look at the fundamentals first, evaluation second, I would look at the RSI. And whenever the RSI is 14 or around 20, I should say, that means the stock is oversold. So buy. And when the RSI is 80, meaning it's overbought, sell. And you can look at moving at indexes as well, like the 50 and 200 days to see if it's holding it, and also look to see if it's in a nice channel formation. That's all I'll say about technicals. Yeah, I do teach it in more detail in my MBA degree programs, but please focus first on fundamentals and valuation, and then a distant third, technicals, and just be very, very long-term focused.